Hi guys, welcome back to Myprotein's YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make my all-time favourite protein crumble. It's super macro friendly and it just tastes delicious. So all you're going to need to make this protein crumble is some berries. Now I'm making my crumble raspberry and banana flavour. So I've got some raspberries, I'm using frozen ones, but also non-frozen ones will be fine. I've got half a banana, some cinnamon, Myprotein whey isolate in vanilla, absolutely love this one. And then we also have some rolled oats from Myprotein. This is a massive bag and I fully recommend if you are obsessed with oats because it lasts ages and is just really good oats. I've also got some flaked almonds because I'm going to be putting a few of these on top. Of course, this can be optional. And then we have some coconut flour and lastly some granulated sweetener. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to put the berries in the base. This is a good size for a crumble because we want our crumble to be nice and big. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in some berries into the bottom. Now I don't weigh this, but you obviously can weigh it if you like. So make sure that they're obviously all crushed up before adding them. Next up, we're going to add some chopped banana to the frozen berries. Now, if you have not used banana in your crumbles, you're missing out. Banana makes the best crumbles. But of course, if you don't like banana, you can of course use any other berries that you like, such as summer berries or even something like peach. Once we've got the base of our crumble, or the fruity base, should I say, we're then going to set it aside and now we're going to make the crumble topping. So for the topping, I'm going to be using 30 grams of the Myprotein gluten-free oats. I love these oats because they come with a really big scoop and that's just what we need. We're then going to add in 15 grams of the whey isolate in vanilla. And then lastly, we're going to add in 15 grams of coconut flour. Perfect. We're also going to add in some ground sweet cinnamon. I just like to pour it on top and I'll probably use around half a teaspoon here. Lastly, we're going to add some granulated sweetener to the crumble topping because this is going to make it super delicious. I like to add around a teaspoon. And then last but not least, we're going to add in some water. Now, when you add the water, you just want a little bit because we just want to form like a dough-like consistency. And obviously we want it to look like a crumble topping. So just add it a little bit at a time and give it a mix. Okay, now that our mixture is all mixed, it looks like this. So it's kind of like a crumble topping, which is obviously what we want here. I also forgot, before we add the crumble topping, we're also going to add a little bit of sweetener just to these berries. Just to take any sourness away. And then we're finally going to add the crumble topping. I'm literally so excited for this. It also just smells so good. Okay, so just pat down the topping on top of the crumble. That is what it looks like before it goes into the oven. It just looks so like a normal crumble. Obviously this is a crumble, but this is just going to be so much more macro friendly and also super high in protein. So now we're just going to cook it for around 15 to 20 minutes. But basically you want all of the fruit to be cooked in the bottom and you also want a nice brown crispy top. And now we wait. Once 15 to 20 minutes is up, you can take it out the oven and add some low-fat custard and can we just look at this? Like how good does that crumble look? And it's all super high protein and calorie friendly. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to Myprotein's YouTube channel, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.